Senada Bikes having anniversary sale promotion. See our website for more information. YOLD Bike Shop. Electric mountain bike Viper. Get ready to conquer any terrain with the Viper's powerful 1000 motor and long-lasting 48-volt battery. With up to 65 miles of range per charge, you can take on the toughest hills and longest rides without breaking a sweat. 1000 W. Motor. 48 V17. 5R. Battery. 65 miles. Max range. 7 to 9 hours, charging time. 330 pounds. Max load. Class speed up to 30 miles per hour, we've got your back. We not only make amazing products, but strive to provide the best experience and support to our customers. When you buy a Senada, you get peace of mind knowing we will be there when you need it. 2 years warranty. All Senada bikes come with 2 years warranty on the frame and parts, and a 1-year warranty on the battery. Learn more at their customer support. We offer you many ways to reach out. Call, text, message, and ticket system. Community. When you become a Senada owner, you also join a Senada owners community online, where you can share your new happy Ebica life, ask questions, and get answers from fellow Senada owners. Join. We also carry many other bikes. Come and see the reviews of many happy customers. Thank you. Join us if you like this video. Senada Bikes having anniversary sale promotion. See our website for more information. YOLD Bike Shop. Electric mountain bike Viper. Get ready to conquer any